Rapid AI advancements continue to seep their way into more and more industries, and one of great note is the Australian legal system, which is scrambling to figure out how to manage the technology. You've got some of the most traditionally intelligent people in the world up against an unstoppable electrified force that's connected to almost everything. So where are we at in November 2025? Judges have become human filters as AI in Australian courts reaches unsustainable phase, Chief Justice says. The Chief Justice of the High Court says judges around Australia are acting as human filters for legal arguments created using AI, warning the use of machine-generated content has reached unsustainable levels in the courts. Stephen Gagler told the first day of the Australian Legal Convention in Canberra on Friday that inappropriate use of AI content by litigants, self-representing in court proceedings, as well as trained legal practitioners, included machine-enhanced arguments, preparation of evidence, and formulation of legal submissions. Gagler said there was increasing evidence to suggest the courts had reached an unsustainable phase of AI use in litigation, requiring judges and magistrates to act as human filters and human adjudicators of competing machine-generated or machine-enhanced arguments. But, he said, AI technology could be highly beneficial in the legal system, describing its potential to help deliver civil justice that aspires to be just, quick, and cheap. Practice guidelines for the use of AI in the law have been issued in most jurisdictions, and a specialist review by the Victorian Law Reform Commission is underway. Cases of false precedents being cited in court cases has proliferated around the world. In September, a Victorian lawyer became the first in Australia to face professional sanctions over AI-generated false citations in a case. The lawyer failed to verify the precedents and was stripped of his ability to practice as a principal lawyer. And here it is. Australian lawyer sorry for AI errors in murder case, including fake quotes and made-up cases. So this guy is a senior lawyer that used AI to build his case and didn't check that everything it spat out was actually true. A senior lawyer. Like, honestly, you gotta be pretty dumb. But you're not. You're a senior lawyer. Unbelievable. This is the thing. We know AI is being used. The concern is people not using it in the right way. It's a tool, an incredibly powerful tool, but it needs to be managed appropriately. Here we have a study showing 44% of judicial operators, including judges, prosecutors, and lawyers, all utilising AI tools such as ChatGPT. But it also mentions only 9% have received any proper institutional training to do so. And this study was across 96 countries. AI is here and it's not going away. Then you got things like this. Claims of PhD level intellect being achieved by AI such as Elon Musk's Grok 4. PhD level in everything. I mean, that's just mind-melding to consider. Whether it's true or not, you can let me know in the comments below. But the point is, this is why it's being utilised by judicial operators. We just need to make sure it's used correctly. And we're not alone here in Australia trying to figure out the best way to manage AI's input on the legal system. It's a global issue that's revealing similar instances of malpractice. So what should be done? Or maybe a better question is, what can be done? Time will tell, and I don't imagine it'll take too much time to find out exactly how this all ends. As the power of AI is said to be doubling every 3 to 6 months, we'll know fairly soon just how much of an impact it'll have, not only on our legal systems, but our entire existence. If you're liking the content, hit that like and subscribe button and we'll be back with more soon.